Ever found yourself staring at a check, wondering how to get that sweet cash into your Ally Bank account? You're not alone. Ally Bank, known for its high-yield savings and online-only approach, might seem a bit mysterious when it comes to check deposits. But fear not, because today, we're breaking down the simple steps to get those paper checks converted into digital funds. Now, the most convenient way to deposit a check with Ally Bank is through their mobile app. It's fast, secure, and you can do it from anywhere. First things first, you'll need to download the Ally Bank app from your phone's app store. Once installed, log into your account using your credentials. Inside the app, you'll usually find a section dedicated to deposits, check deposits, or something similar. Tap on that, and the app will guide you through the process. You'll be prompted to endorse the back of your check. Remember to write "for mobile deposit only" and your account number below your signature. This is crucial for security purposes. Next, the app will likely ask you to take a picture of the front and back of the check. Ensure the lighting is good and that both sides are clearly visible. No blurry photos. The app might have features to help you align the check properly within the frame. Utilize these to ensure a smooth deposit. Once you've captured both images, the app will review them. It might ask you to confirm certain details, like the check amount. Double-check everything before submitting. Once confirmed, the app will typically process your deposit. Ally Bank usually provides an estimated time for when the funds will be available in your account. This can vary, so keep an eye on the app for updates. While mobile deposit is the most common and convenient method, Ally Bank might offer alternative options. These could include mailing your check. This is usually slower, but it's an option if mobile deposit isn't feasible for you. You can find the mailing address for check deposits on the Ally Bank website or within the app. Visiting an ATM. Some ATMs have check deposit functionality. This can be a faster alternative to mailing, but availability may vary depending on your location. Now, let's address some common questions and potential issues you might encounter. What if the app rejects my check image? This could happen if the image is blurry, the check is endorsed incorrectly, or there are other issues with the check itself. Double-check the app's instructions and try resubmitting the images. If the problem persists, you might need to contact Ally Bank customer support for assistance. How long does it take for my check to clear? Typically, mobile check deposits clear within a few business days. However, there can be delays in some cases. Is mobile check deposit secure? Ally Bank employs robust security measures to protect your deposits. The app uses encryption to safeguard your information, and the check images are typically deleted from the app servers after processing. To summarize, depositing a check with Ally Bank is a straightforward process, especially through their mobile app. Simply endorse the check, capture clear images of both sides, and submit them through the app. Remember to double-check everything before submitting. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Ally Bank customer support for assistance. Ally Bank's mobile check deposit feature offers a convenient and time-saving solution for managing your finances. Remember to always prioritize security and review the app's instructions carefully. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.